everybody. I'm Lincoln.
I'm Ty.
And today we are taking over the vlog. Yep. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to Lagoon, and then we're gonna go to the BYU football game.
Yep.
Go Cougars.
Go Cougars.
It's
just us.
Hopefully it's good. What can I say except you're welcome? We're almost to Lagoon. There it is. How do you flip it? No, that's how you take a picture when you're filming. See, there it is. Yeah, we're really good at this. You're welcome. There's the spider. There's a white roller coaster. I did like all the white roller coasters.
We're gonna try it out. Kenzie's taking it. She's awesome.
We're starting on the roller coaster. Whoa, what's going on? You can hold on.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it. We're going up right now. You have a good view of the Lagoon now. Yeah, I would keep it in because we're probably gonna...
Wait, what happens if I drop the phone?
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Hands up, Lincoln. Hands up, Lincoln. I almost dropped it. That was bad. I almost dropped it. So we're about to go on a ride. It's called the Spider. I'm kind of scared about roller coasters.
So we didn't film on it, but it was absolutely amazing. I kind of want to go on it again.
We could not film on
Yeah, I would have lost the phone. I was like, oh! Okay, so we just went on Wicked, but we couldn't really take the camera again. It was really fun and crazy. You're just like waiting in this dark tunnel, and all of a sudden you're just like, whoa! And you just shoot it straight up, and you're just like, ah! It feels like the Tesla, to be honest. Right now, we're probably doing the best part of Lagoon, is the basketball part. Come on, Ty! That was close. That was close, Ty. Oh, we hit one. What'd you get, Ty?
Pacers flag, because I'm not taking the Warriors flag.
Oh, come on.
Push the button. Here we go, Lincoln. There's one. Oh, there's two, Lincoln. Three. Here we go. Yes, Lincoln. One more. Last one. Oh, good job, Lincoln.
It's not regulation.
What you gonna get, Lincoln? Warriors, we can bury that up.
Aha!
Ah, there he goes, Warriors. Boo.
After that kind of fail at basketball.
Oh, I missed so badly.
Sad day. Should we go do a new one? Oh. Whoa!
And then we did another game, and I knocked them all down in first try, but I forgot to film that one. And then the other time, just now,
Fingers over the lens.
okay.
Seriously.
It's okay. This is like my first vlog that it was just me.
Let's see it, boys. Nice. How are you gonna share it?
Sneaky and Sharky. I think we're heading out now. I hope that all this footage can be used. Now we have the BYU game. Woo! The fun is not over. So we kind of didn't vlog much. We drove to Lehigh, Utah. That's where we are right now. Ty slept during the drive. It's like an hour and 30-minute drive.
Good sleep.
We're just sitting here. And then we have a dog. His name's Jack. So I don't know where my dad went, but
Yeah, we're
I
waiting
think-
for him, and then
I
we're
think
gonna
he's-
go to the game a little bit early and do the Cougar walk, where the players walk down and we like high five them.
I'll show you Jack now. Hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack.
Now you won't give it to me.
Did you already smell it? Yeah. guys. So the score's 15-16. I'm up. I fouled Ty, and this is to tie the game. Ball's up, and it's so good! Ty looks like when he loses.
I don't lose.
Made it to the game. Woo! There's lots of red, which is kind of sad, but there's also lots of blue.
Let's go Cougars.
Now we're here.
You can follow Sabrina on Instagram.
Okay.
Sab Riley.
Sab
No, it's
Riley.
Sab Dot Christensen.
Oh yeah, my bad.
They're married. Yeah.
Sab Christensen.
Sab.Christensen. Go follow her. Yeah. So we made it to our seats today.
Front row.
And
Perfect.
Yeah, they're great. There's the camera right there. That's the youth section up there. There's the Cougars over there. But please stop singing it. Take it slow. No. It's this burrito.
No.
It's this burrito.
mean take it slowly?
I don't know. Does it?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Spanish.
40 more minutes until the game starts. 40? 40. Oh my gosh. No, we've been here for probably 30 minutes just sitting on our seats.
It's still so cool watching them warm up. But we're on the Utah side.
Yeah, there's lots of red here. But, yeah, there's a big fancy camera right there. See?
That's what we use to vlog.
Yeah, or I just use my phone. Either one. 30 more minutes, stadium's getting even more packed. That's you people here.
What do you mean, you people?
Especially in like this area, on this side of the stadium, there's lots of red. So we have 9 minutes left. It's been there for so long. Just on that guy's back for a long time.
It just wants a ride.
Here we go. Yeah, we should pour that out. Yeah, edit all that white right there. That's all the student section. It's still there. It's probably been on there for 3 minutes. All of this is going to be blurred out. You can't see anything. You cannot see any of that. Nothing. It's gonna be blurred. Nothing. Everything's gonna be blurred. Woo! Let's go! There's the camera. Woo! Oh, they kicked it off. He muffed it on the first play. First play fumble. There's the wave.
There goes the
Wait
wind.
for it. Here comes the student section. That's the student section right there. Right there. It's looking better. Here it comes. Woo!
Utah's winning 9-0. Halftime. I still believe we can win.
Woo!
Go Cougars.
Yeah. It's 13-19. We have a shot at this. We're gonna beat the Utes. What? Nice game. We had the ball, and it was 4th down, and we didn't get the ball.
We were close.
We did. It was a good fight. We lost the 7th time in a row.
Are you coming for the next game? I'm gonna try.
And there's the day of me, Ty, vlogging. So there we go. There's the vlog episode. Peace. Bye.
Sad day. Should we go do a new one?
1.